Hi, I'm Elle from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control panel on your Hoover washing machine. So if you find that the control panel is cracked, worn, suffering from wear and tear, or possibly the settings have rubbed off so you can't see which one you're selecting, then this part will need to be replaced. For this replacement, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver and a 7mm socket. If you don't have the tools you need to complete your repair, we'll pop a link down below in the description to the tools section of our website. Now, safety first, always make sure that your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. So first things first, you'll need to pull your machine out and turn it around so you can access the back. And we're going to be removing the top panel. So grab your 7mm socket and just remove the 3 nuts underneath this lip here, which hold the top panel in place. Then just slide off the top panel like so. Now you just need to remove the 2 trims from either side by sliding and lifting up. And then just the same on the other side, slide and lift to remove. Then you just need to remove your soap drawer. To remove the control panel, we first need to remove the 2 nuts holding it in place at the top, and then the 2 inside these holes here in the soap drawer housing. So you just need to pull the soap drawer housing back and away from the control panel here, and then just rest it on top. Then before you can remove the control panel, there are 3 clips that are keeping it in place. So there's one just here in the corner, there's another one in the middle underneath the selector switch at the back, and there's a third just tucked down into this corner here. So now we just need to remove the electrical connector that's attached to the display PCB. So just shimmy off this connection here. Now we just need to unscrew these 2 screws here with our Phillips head screwdriver. Then just unclip the clips around the edges to remove the display PCB. And that's it removed. So now we want to remove the selector switch here, and to do so first of all we need to just remove the 2 electrical connections, although do of course take note as to where they connect. It's just that one there, and then that second one there, and that's that removed. So to remove the selector switch fully, we first need to turn it over and just prise off this control knob using a flat blade screwdriver. Just prise that off around the edge, like so. And then these red fins here just need pushing in with the screwdriver whilst you apply some pressure to the spindle, and it will come out like so. Now you're ready to fit your new control panel, but when you do, it's important to make sure that you get the right control panel that fits your model of machine. Obviously that's so the control panel itself fits, and also so that the markings around the selector switch are correct for your machine. So to make sure that you're getting it right, you do need to know your model information, and we've got a video we'll link up here that will show you how to find the model number on your washing machine in case you need any help. So first things first, when refitting your control panel, just grab your selector switch and pop the spindle back through the hole where it came from. Now we just need to refit the electrical connections to the selector switch. So when you do so, just make sure they're going in the same way that they came out. Now you just need to refit your control knob to the spindle. Just make sure that the half moon shape here lines up with the spindle itself so that it slides on smoothly and just clips back in. So pop the display PCB into the bottom clips first of all, as that's the easiest way to do it, and then just go around clipping each clip in individually. So now we just need to replace the two screws holding the display PCB in place. With the PCB in place, you can now refit the electrical connection onto the PCB here, like so. Now you can line your control panel up and then just give it a push just to reconnect these clips either side and in the middle as well. Replace the soap drawer housing like so. Now we can replace the two screws in the soap drawer housing. And now we can replace the two screws on the top here. Pop the soap drawer back in. Replace your side trims by just sliding down and in. Slide your top panel back into place. Lastly, just need to replace the 3 nuts to secure the top panel. And there you have it. Your control panel has now been replaced and all of the markings are clear once again. If you do want to know a bit more about the different settings and how to use them for your laundry loads, just see our video up here on washing machine settings and how to use them. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, maintenance tips and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.